All right, good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader, here with your Thursday morning market webcast. So still down in Florida, still banging this out with a phone, looking at my laptop, but love you guys. So we're going to do it this way today, tomorrow, then I'm back in the office. So yesterday was really a range-bound day. 39.75 to 40 on the upside continues to be, the limit of what the bulls are able to do. On the downside, once they get down to 27, 28, 29, and we'll talk about that in a minute, that seems to be all that the bears can accomplish. So it's basically a 10 to 12 handle range, depending on how you look at it. And you can see the little breakout here on Tuesday, kind of flagging back a little bit. We'll have to see if they can take it up and try to deal with this upper band here in the area of 51. So you look at the hourly chart and you can see the breakout from Tuesday, and it's just kind of ground down from there. Here's your 39.40 resistance. So 39.75 is hit once, twice, I don't even know, 4 or 5 times. Daily pivot yesterday was at 28.5. That seemed to hold things up. You got another potential lower high here, a little bit of a lower low, traded to 27. We've actually had a long for our subscribers against 28 from right around the open of Globex yesterday through now. I'm long 28. We were long 31.5 earlier, got stopped that overnight. So we're taking a little bit of profit on this, and we're just kind of letting it work. So until the bears figure out 28, and until the bulls figure out 39.75, we're just kind of hanging out here. I would expect to get a little more movement today than we got yesterday. Yesterday was very range bound. Tuesday was a breakout. Monday was kind of range bound. So if it's going to continue with the same pattern, then we should get some movement today. I will always, in an environment like this, I'm going to lean to the upside until the bears show me that they can convert something that matters and keep it converted. A good start for them last night would have been to progress below 28 and start to turn 28 into resistance. But look, here we are, 8:15 in the morning, and we're trading 33, not 23, and that's significant. So until the bears show us that they're worth it, you have to continue to buy these dips. And you take profits up at the top end of the range. I have a hard time scalping everything off at the top end of the range, because the one time you do that and they break it out, then that train has left the station and you're kind of standing there on the platform wondering what the hell just happened. And what happened is it's time to start the next leg. So you could have said that about 2900, 2910 early this week, and then you see what happened here with that. So 5-minute chart, very briefly. So here's the move to 27. 28 is our marker. Yesterday's proprietary lower level was 27.75. You've got volume weighted average price, our proprietary moving average, 5-minute midband, all jammed in here around 31.32. So and then here's your hourly midband, 32.25. So 31 to 32.5 really is your bull bear with the bottom of the range here, and you still got another solid 6-7 handles before the top of the range. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. We'll be out with some more stuff on social. Thanks for putting up with this wobbly webcast while I'm down here in Florida. We're going to do one more wobbly webcast, and then I'm back at the desk Monday morning ready to go. It's been a great week. We're sitting just under 30 handles on the week. Yesterday was kind of a day that you really couldn't really wrap our heads around. But Monday, Tuesday were fantastic, and today with the long from 28, it's starting off real nice. All right, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you soon.